Hey guys, what's up? So for this productivity video, we'll be navigating LinkedIn and I'm going to show you guys how to send job applications to only jobs where there are easy applies. There are a lot of jobs out there on LinkedIn, but sometimes it might be cumbersome because every single job you apply for, you literally have to go up and sign up on the individual websites and update a plethora of information from your resume, which is already on LinkedIn. But some smart employers, they actually have a way of you applying utilizing the easy apply method. So for example, to find these jobs is pretty easy. The first thing you do is navigate to jobs. So let's say, for example, you're looking for a particular job. Let's say a engineer job, right? So we're looking at an engineering job, and you want to be specific as to only the jobs that would utilize easy apply. So it's quite simple. All you do is click on all filters, and from there you scroll down and click on easy apply, and then you click on apply. So at this point, for job searches for engineers, it'll only show you the companies which utilize the easy apply button to apply for these jobs. So every single job on this list should have the easy apply, and it's quite simple. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Please subscribe to my channel where I'll be doing multiple amounts of productivity videos for your liking. Have a great day, guys. Bye.